Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to limit FPS using the NVIDIA Control Panel. Step 1. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Click the search bar at the bottom of your computer, type NVIDIA Control Panel, and open it. Step 2. Manage 3D settings. On the left side, select Manage 3D settings. Step 3. Global settings. Scroll down to find Max Frame Rate. Set it to on and choose your desired frame rate. Click Apply at the bottom right. Step 4. Program specific settings. If you want to limit FPS for specific games, click on the Program Settings tab. Select the program, game you want to customize. Find Max Frame Rate, set it to on, and choose the frame rate. Click Apply. And that's it. You've successfully limited your FPS. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips.